Alrighty guys, so lately I've been doing a lot of video work. I've been using a lot of cameras, various types of cameras, and I've been asked this question quite often, which is which action camera is right for you? So I have 3 cameras that I want to compare based on my experience, and we'll get right to them, okay? And this is the introduction of these 3 cameras. I am literally reading the marketing text that I got online from each company. So first one is GoPro, the king of action, 5.3K video, insane stabilization, rugged and waterproof, perfect for extreme sports. Okay, my 2 cents, it's really a versatile, solid action camera, but there are many competitors already out there that are on par or even better. Next, I probably will admit this one's my favorite because of its ease of use. Insta360 Go. So this is the pod style one, and it reads, the ultra tiny cam, super lightweight, magnetic mount, but short battery life, best for quick POV clips. I agree 100%, and that's been my main usage. Alright, lastly, the 360 camera. This one allows me one of the most creative possibilities when it comes to shooting and also the placement of the camera. So Insta360X, full 360 degrees capture, shoot first, reframe later, great for creators who want crazy creative angles. Like I said, right? And I 100% agree. So the GoPro and the Insta360 are pretty much point and shoot cameras, and the output is pretty much what you're pointing at, so it's easy to understand and use. And on the other hand, the 360, the camera doesn't necessarily have to point to a specific target, rather just have the lens face in the direction you want, because it is a 360 camera that captures the surrounding 360 degrees. So the usage of the camera is literally simple as that. You just set it directionally or whatever angle you want, and you hit the record button and you start gathering your clip. Cool, now let's move on and talk about the app and the output utility when it comes to these cameras and their corresponding apps. So you're done recording and you obviously want to see and pull your video from your cameras, and you want to see that from your phone or your computer, whichever the case, right? So with the GoPro and the Insta360, the learning curve of the camera and the app itself is pretty intuitive. So you export the video to your phone or your computer, and you just use the exported clip for editing or simply just sharing. Whereas the 360 can be easy to use, however, setting the available point of views can get quite intricate as it is capturing 360 degree surrounding, and you really need to know or want to know which frames to focus on. So with the 360 video, the keyframe can be set literally second by second, angle by angle. So depending on your output needs, the learning curve and the usability of the camera and the app can get cumbersome. So until you learn and get good at it, like me, you might need some practice using the camera and the app itself. So now I want to return the question to you guys after sharing my experience and my 2 cents. Which one's your pick? Is it the extreme GoPro, tiny POV Insta360 Go, or the creative Insta360X? Let me know in the comments.